If you are a new trader and are interested in getting free bonuses, then Bybit is one of the best choices. You can actually get up to $30,000 by using my link below. So step number 1 is to navigate down to the description or the top comment of this video. Then you want to press on this link right here. Next, you should land on this page right here where it says welcome to Bybit, and you can join me on Bybit now to unlock $30,000 here in bonuses. But of course, guys, you won't get the $30,000 just by signing up. That would be insane. Instead, you need to look at this box right here. And as you can see, the more you trade here, the more free bonuses you will get. So for example, you will get $15 for free when you trade your first $100. Next, you will get $100 for free here by trading more. And actually as you can see here, over 80% of all the users win $100 or more. And then if you trade even more, you can get 800, you can get 5,000 more. And last but not least, you can get the full $30,000 bonus. But in order to get that bonus, you need to trade a lot here. And signing up to Bybit is super simple. You can either just enter your email here, or you can use a mobile number. Before you sign up, just make sure that this code right here is correct. It should say 88512. And then when you're ready, sign up and get your welcome gifts. And yeah, as I mentioned, 80% of users will win $100 or more for free here on Bybit. And this is a reason why this is one of the best platforms when it comes to free crypto bonuses. Another great thing about Bybit here is that they are a big exchange and they also have a great support here. So they have more than 30 million users worldwide, and they have around 25 billion of average trading volume. Bybit is also available in more countries compared to Binance here. You can use Bybit in more than 230 countries, so that is a big plus here. And they also have great support. They have 24/7 customer support. And last but not least, guys, Bybit also have good fees. It's pretty similar here to Binance, where fees start at 0.1% and it goes as low as 0.005%, but that is if you trade a lot. So if you trade a lot on Bybit, you will both get free bonuses and you will also get lower fees. Alright, so this video was actually just a very short clip from my full crypto trading course here on the channel. To watch the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I'll see you all over there very soon.